Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a small but essential accessory that could save you a lot of frustration. The PZL replacement remote control for the Dreo tower fan, space heater, and standing fan. If you've ever had your original remote go missing or stop working, you know the pain of having to manually adjust your fan or heater. This replacement remote is designed to be an effortless solution. Right out of the box, there's no need for programming or pairing. Simply insert batteries, and it's ready to go, thanks to its reliable infrared technology. That ensures the signal remains strong and responsive from over 26 feet away, with a wide 120-degree angle. The design focuses on comfort and usability. Made from durable ABS material, it boasts an ergonomic arc shape that feels natural in the hand. The keys are highly responsive, providing tactile feedback, which makes operating your fan or heater simple, even in the dark. It's compatible with a variety of Dreo tower fan and heater models, making it a versatile choice if you own multiple devices. In terms of packaging, the remote comes on its own, so you'll need to provide your own batteries. But it serves as an excellent backup or replacement if your existing remote fails. The remote is lightweight at just over an ounce and compact, measuring just over 4 inches in length. So it won't take up much space and can easily be stored when not in use. PZL has also included a commitment to after-sales support, promising timely assistance within 24 hours if any issues arise. While it cannot be shipped to every location, where available, it ranks as a top choice in remote controls on Amazon, reflecting its reliability and functionality. Whether you're replacing a lost remote or simply need a secondary one, this remote is designed to provide a seamless, hassle-free experience. That wraps up our review of this replacement remote control for Dreo devices. It's simple, effective, and thoughtfully designed for everyday convenience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the latest gadgets.